today, and this is not an unusual day, but today, as an example, we have our friends from Pure Image on site. We have our friends from Intrinsic Air on site. We have our friends from Cove Power on site. We have our friends from Colonial Countertops on site, making sure that we know what we need to do before we need to do it. There are a ton of details that go into these complex homes, and the only way to do it is to get people on site and have conversations and figure out how we're gonna make things meet up with the other thing. In this home, we're gonna have areas where Dekton meets with drywall, meets with millwork. We're gonna have a very, very small shadow reveal where the bottom of the walls meet the flooring. Like, there are so many minute details that go in to a project like this. You know, what we do is we just get people on site and we have a chat about it. We write down what we talk about and we make sure that whatever we're talking about makes sense. The folks at Pure Image, I mean, you should see the system that these guys use to make sure that they're putting things in the right place. It's freaking mind-boggling. There's custom drapery here. There's custom sound, lighting control throughout. Phenomenal experience so far with these guys. I mean, they've got a reputation for doing great work, but let's see what happens once they're finished. I mean, proof is in the pudding, all right? Same thing. Same thing with our friends from Intrinsic Air. You know, they're getting in here, they're getting all the ducting in. I've been upstairs. Everything looks so professional. And you know what? If you want to have a project that doesn't suck, you need to work with professionals. Sometimes you got to pay a little bit more, but you do get what you pay for. So if you want to work with pros, give us a shout. We'll hook you up and we'll build something awesome for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.